Christina, aka Actress Marie, and welcome back to another video. Today, obviously, I have you guys in my new apartment. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an empty apartment tour to show you and kind of introduce you to my new space, along with get you guys kind of familiarized with the environment that you guys are going to be seeing a lot of in these videos. This is going to be, I guess, part one of my moving series. So yeah, I have so much to catch you guys up on. 2024 has been so crazy, and it's only about 6 months in, and I just have a lot of life updates to kind of update you guys on. First and foremost, this is my very first apartment all on my own. I am completely living here alone, so this will be also part one of my living alone series, which I'm super excited about. There's a lot that goes on into that, so if you guys are interested more in a life update, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next few clips. Let's get right on into this empty apartment tour. All right, so first we have the front door, which obviously there is not too much to it. It's the front door. Out there is also my storage unit. It's across the hall from me. So this is my front door. And as you come in, to the left is this little coat closet, which is really nice. I feel like coats take up the majority of the space in my closet currently. So having, which is crazy because I don't really need that many coats here in Nashville, but having a nice size coat closet in the front is super, super important for me. So definitely loving the fact that there is a little coat closet here. They already put my packages up there because I had some delivered here, so I wouldn't have to bring them over here, of course. And then I guess I'll turn this way. So back at the front door, to the right is the kitchen, which I absolutely love the color scheme of this kitchen. It's something new that I haven't had yet. I have pretty much had the all-white kitchen in every apartment I've been in so far, so it's nice to get a little bit of a difference, a little bit of a contrast compared to what I'm used to, but it's still light, airy, and just gorgeous. Over here, we have a little pantry area, soft close cabinets, which is great. Massive full-size fridge, which I absolutely love. The one thing that was very important to me was that I wanted to have a full-size fridge to store all of my foods, because I do plan on doing a lot more meal planning and meal prepping, just to kind of go with the new mindset of the year. I want to get myself to the healthiest that I've ever been along. So you guys hear it first here. I want to run a half marathon, or at least a 10K by the end of this year. So I am prepping and planning for that and trying to just kind of get myself in the groove of, you know, kind of training for that, which requires a lot of food. So full-size fridge was one of my non-negotiables. Along with this feature here, I absolutely love having a water and ice maker attached to my fridge. I am not the type to like to buy bottled water, so I actually much prefer this. Plus it's better for the environment, obviously. So that was another non-negotiable. And then we just got this section here. I think I'm gonna make that corner my coffee corner with my Nespresso and everything. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put that over there in that corner. Toaster. all of my utensils and everything here. And then we'll keep everything else pretty clean. I thought they had under cabinet lighting, but they don't. So we can add some of that because that's what I want. And panning around, obviously we've got the microwave, we got the stove here, super duper duper deep sink, which is another one of my non-negotiables for the kitchen. Obviously with a lot of cooking, you have a lot of cleaning as well that's involved, and I hate when the sink is super shallow to where it feels like it's overrun with dishes. So I absolutely wanted a deep sink. I love that feature. I think it looks super high end and super luxe. We just got some cabinet space down there and a dishwasher. Another non-negotiable, but for the most part, none of my apartments have not had a dishwasher, so that's good. And then looking out from the kitchen, we've got the living room slash dining room space. It's actually really pretty big. I probably won't put like a dining table here. I probably will just keep it light and airy and just put bar stools here just for eating and for entertaining. But yeah, this is the view of the kitchen from the living room. And later on, I may decide to put like a little circular dining table here, but for right now, I'm thinking I'm just gonna keep it airy and settle for a really nice size couch over here, like maybe a right-facing couch over here. I think that would be pretty cool and nice and give a really nice cozy vibe. All right, so this is obviously just the wall for TV. Give you guys a little bit more of a view of what everything looks like over here. But yeah, pretty decent sized space, which is what I'm super excited about. Now, going to the left of the living space is my bedroom. They said you can fit a king in here, but I honestly think I don't want to do that and just put a queen in here, just because I feel like it'll be too cramped up with the king in here. But they said that you can fit a king in here, so if you wanted to, you could, obviously, but I just don't feel like that's necessary for just me. This wall, I feel like I was going to put a dresser on this wall, but like now that I'm seeing it, I think I just want to put my desk on this wall. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'll put my desk in here kind of like temporarily and see how I feel, along with, you know, with my bed and everything being in here. But I don't know. I feel like maybe I don't need a dresser here. But we'll kind of see. I'll take some measurements before I leave here just to kind of get a feel of the sizing. This is my closet. It is a walk-in. I think I want to do the Target kind of IKEA situation in here. I just have to figure out how to orient it with the shelves and everything. As a reminder to myself, I do need to measure and see how big the space is and how I would definitely need to orient this. But it's not super big, but I also don't have, I have a lot of clothes, but with the storage unit, I don't need to have my winter clothes in here. I just need my summer clothes, and then when fall, winter comes around, I'll pull out my fall and winter clothes. So this is kind of the perfect size for just me. I just need like a dresser or something with a drawer, something with drawers, so that I can, you know, organize my pants and everything that I like to fold instead of hang. So yeah, that is my closet. Well, one of my closets. Over here is like another little closet. I think I'm gonna make this more so of a like laundry, or not laundry, more of like a linen closet. So maybe I'll get like another one of the Target bookshelf things, take out the top rack here, and make this like a laundry, or laundry, I keep saying laundry, a linen closet. So yeah, this is just the view from the closets. And then if you keep going straight, here is my bathroom. Turn on this other light. We've got pretty standard bathroom, again with the the cabinet color. I love it with the countertops, just so pretty, so nice. I just love it. This mirror is gorgeous. The lighting in here is amazing. Like, get into the lighting, it is amazing. And this is on a very gloomy day in Nashville, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of an idea of what it's going to be like when it's sunny out and nice, like it has been the last couple of days. I don't know, on the day that I need to film is the day that it is the gloomiest, but hey, we do what we do. I just absolutely love, you can't really tell, can't really see the light fixture, but love the lighting in here. It'll be so great for, you know, skincare videos, doing my makeup, all things that I love to do and all things that I plan on bringing to my channel this year. So yes, super excited for that. Over here, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this space. I think I'm going to put like a little chest, maybe I'll put a little chest here. I kind of like that idea. I need to find like a little chest to put here, underneath here, for like if I want to have like toilet paper, linens, again, like I was saying, like adding an extra linen closet, extra towels, extra wash rags, face cloths, blah blah blah. And then obviously that's a towel rack, and I have space up top to put like some artwork, which I'm excited about, along with over here where the toilet is. I can put some artwork over here as well. And then the star of the show, the beauty of the show in here, is this gorgeous walk-in shower. I absolutely love it. I originally was going to get the unit with the tub, because the tub is kind of similar to the tub I have now. But I was like, I've never had a walk-in shower. Like, fuck it, we ball, let's get a walk-in shower. So yes, we have opted in on a walk-in shower, and I cannot wait for this moment. I'm super excited. And then out this door, we're back at the kitchen, living room, and entryway. And over here is just my stacking washer and dryer, which was another non-negotiable for my apartment. I need a washer and dryer. I work in healthcare. I wash my scrubs almost daily. Well, okay, so I have 7 pairs of scrubs so that I can wear 4 during the week, wash them, and then say I don't have them folded for the next week, I have 3 other pairs that I can wear, you know, to kind of alternate besides the ones that I had just washed. So this was key, essential, and needed, very much so. But yeah, that is my apartment.